welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner on a Volvo to perform fuel trim adaptation. So what you want to do, you want to go to maintenance and then go to AFR adaptation, and then you can scroll to the bottom, select Volvo Smart VIN. Smart VIN is going to detect the correct model. Here we're working on 2018 Volvo XC90, but the procedure is similar for other Volvo models and also for other makes as well. So it detected the model. We can go ahead and press OK. Reset adaptation of fuel air mixture. In some cases the engine needs to be running, so we have that running. Press OK again, and you can see it's reset adaptation. It has not started. Start. You wait a few seconds. Okay, resetting adaptation. Okay, resetting perform, and that's it. Now you can you have reset the fuel and air mixture adaptation settings on your Volvo. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.